Hello everyone, this is Sam Misha from Alberk company. We are a company producing poultry slaughterhouses in many different capacities, starting from 500 birds per hour until 10,000 birds per hour. We produce all departments of these lines, including the evisceration lines and cut-up line, which is the most important lines in this sector and in this field. We have plants in more than 40 countries around the world, trying to attend in many events in this world, and we hope that we can meet in all events all around the world. We are here in VIV Asia, and we are waiting for you to visit us in our booth number, which is 1570. Please, we still have tomorrow. Come and visit us. Thank you very much.